A few months ago, looking at my to-do list was terrifying. I'd see big projects, deadlines, and instantly feel frozen. Even simple tasks felt impossible. Then I did something that changed everything. And I thought that my brain wasn't lazy, it was just scared. So I used the CBT tool that literally rewired how I handle big tasks. And before I start, hit like and subscribe button. Here's the thing. When a task is huge, your brain reacts like it's a threat. Anxiety spikes, motivation drops, and you procrastinate. CBT teaches us to break down tasks so the brain sees small and safe steps instead of one giant monster. It's called break it into three. Take your big task and divide it into three parts: beginning, middle, and end. For example, write in a report, then outline, first draft, and edit. Or cleaning your apartment. First, living room, kitchen, and then bedroom. Then start with the first part. Only the first part. Forget the rest for now. When you finish it, take a short break, stretch, and give yourself credit. Tomorrow, move to the second part, and then the third. Even huge tasks suddenly feel manageable. Your brain feels in control and not threatened. This is a proven CBT strategy. Task decomposition reduces anxiety and increases motivation. After a week of using it, I noticed I could start things I used to dread. Momentum builds naturally. Small wins lead to big results. Try it today. Pick one intimidating task, break it into three, and focus on the first step. You'll be surprised how much you can accomplish.